Hello, I am Daniel Brazell, and today I will be showing you the basics of Cats Play Politics, a card game for 2 to 4 players. At the beginning of the game, shuffle the deck and then deal each player 4 cards. On these cards are 3 different ability types that a player can use. Shown in blue are the in-hand abilities. These abilities are only available to players if the card is still in their hand at the end of the game. They can be risky, but also have a powerful reward. In green are the in-play abilities. To activate these abilities, a player will place the card in front of them, face up, like so. These in-play abilities will affect their controller as long as the card is in play in front of them. Lastly, in red are the when discarded abilities. To activate these, a player will put the card into the discard pile after resolving that card's ability. In this case, an opponent will also discard a card. If that card has a when discarded ability though, it will not be activated, as the when discarded ability is only activated by taking the discard action on your turn. Additionally, cards are not limited to having only one ability on them. In this case, the Counselor is indicated with a purple border because it will benefit you if you have it in hand as well as if you have it in play. On a player's turn, they must choose to either play a card or to discard a card from their hand before drawing from the deck to finish their turn. The way to win is simple. When all the cards in the deck have been drawn, all players reveal their hands and count up their victory paws, which are indicated by this symbol. The player with the most victory paws wins. I hope that you enjoy the strategy of Cats Play Politics as you try to build your best hand and to subvert the plots of your fellow players. If you are interested in this game, you can purchase it on the Game Crafter, or you can learn more about it at catsplaypolitics.com. Thank you for watching.